If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. We dey talk am say every weekday from 10 go reach 11 don turn Christmas. Sake of say we dey carry all the topic wey dey comot smoke inside Nigerian political boxing ring to discuss am as e dey hot, make everybody take the necessary action to move our country forward. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. As usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as e dey concern politics matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, our correct country people. We don't carry that same Ogbonge program coming out. That program where they do it, where they informate now with political activities where they happen for our Bodo Nigeria. And then today's own no go different because they give now hot and sizzling. That's it. That is when I mean sizzling. Now you both people word, but me they dey very, very hot. And we'll get to Ogbonge guest for house. Chukwudi go, I think go get the honor of introducing them in his own way. I will also open our phone line when that time reach for to also chook mouth. May I know vex with us over what happened yesterday. We get issues. The lines too much. Maybe say just the jam. That's why we no fit collect too much call. Yes, the program now as the hot. And my name now Nkubi.
Yes, as Nkubi don't talk, we get Ogbonge visitor. And we don't fish them out to come discuss this very important topic when we discuss today because it concern me, it concern you, it concern all of us. I no go waste time, I go do the proper introduction. These are two men wey sabi well. There be men where we say, if you talk about say, they don't travel well. They don't cross 7 seas, they don't cross 7 oceans, they don't climb the highest mountain, and they don't live with people from different parts of inside this Obodo Nigeria. No language when they know they understand. So, you know, if we gossip for their back, they go know. We get Oga Al-Jafar Brimo and Oga Lanre Ijaola. Two of them are people when we say when it comes to issues when concern international things, as it be about Nigeria and people from different parts of this world, then sabi am well. Oga Lanre and Oga Al-Jafar, una welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you.
I know say una be humble men. I don't really call all una title.
Welcome, sir, because this is now like the second time they get on this program.
That's what you do.
Yes, I would dig glass here. Now they honor this invitation again. But now not to take down here. Because we no go want make na can start the panic once we don't they enter and they don't they enter us. We now know how to take down. And then the same way we go shake on our hand to make sure say at least once the argument don't start, once you they ask those solid question, now no go say, hey, I will be what we also come.
Make it not be like say we dey quarrel.
So we could shake the hand now.
So quick one, we go drop to the topic. Today we dey discuss how we go fit repackage Niger. Everybody knows say when we talk about our country, Nigeria, for outside this our obodo, it gets some kind of things where they come people mind. First, people go talk say those people are people when they're very, very corrupt. Second, people go also talk say they are young people, they be 419 and yahoo. They are girls where they like to go Dubai, go snap picture, that is selfie. And they go also talk say those people will be like say they don't get sense at all. But we want debunk this claim. Now English, we want prove them say Nigerians get plenty ginger and Nigerians go move this our country forward. The key element for our discussion today now, as it get to do with the visit when we say our Oga Presido, they carry go visit different parts of countries. And not be just saying they go visit, then they invite them come because they talk say, we believe in you, we trust you, we know say as you don't lead this country go move forward. Today, we go look how we as a people go fit do our own best to support our Oga Presido and the government to move this our country forward. Oga Al-Jafar and Oga Lanre, welcome once again to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very much.
We no go waste time. Una don't hear the way when the introduction don't come. This one get to do with Oga Presido visit. Right about now, Oga Presido dey for France. And they talk say Francois Hollande. And he talk say, okay, Oga, I go like see you. Make me and you discuss one-on-one. And make I no go break down all the places where me say don't go. Because we know say don't go Cameroon, Ghana, Benin, Niger, Chad, and the rest of them. Make we even come carry and go country where me say, if everybody they talk, say, this country, they get Ogbonge power and experience. The United States of America. Barack Obama invite them. Now, we don't know say the image of Nigeria now when we say it don't spoil. Many people, if they talk, say, if you want to go to Nigeria for free, they go say, I reject it. But we don't get Oga Presido when we say, from the way when they do things, he won't change this country. And other countries don't say, we believe in this man. What will be your assessment first of all these visits when Oga Presido they visit? Remember, say no be the first person when visit. In fact, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo visit pass am, but we don't see anything at the end. Shall not be say at the end of the visit, he go come on to a fertile visit.
We thank you, Nigeria. The visit where this our Oga President they do this time now, him we they call divine one. Now God will say this country no will go war, will scatter. Now he bring this Messiah. This now our Moses of our time, where they go break the world, make we see road pass. These visits go different from the one we don't see before. Because we don't see them, we don't hear them. As in the visit, people dey where they counter up. Say, Oga, now this one you go talk, now this one you know go talk. He himself, now ogbonge person, where we say he be general before, for army, he don't know so many things. So, nothing where he never know. He know both outside world and Nigeria well. He know what thing will go look for. And the thing where he dey paramount for a man now be this Boko Haram issue. And as we all dey here, and those Nigerians, and particularly our brothers and sisters where they northeast of this country, we are all in prayer with him. Make him feel come back with so much effort and power to sort out this Boko Haram issue.
But then, in the course of your talk, you say this visit, and say this president, say na divine, this and this visit, say na it is very, very special for the interest of the country. And then you don't state like one of the major reason why I take this special, the Boko Haram issue. But the relevance of visits go beyond insecurity matter. Waiting again, if they foresee, say, hey, okay, this president go bring those things where they missing before for our country. You go at least with this visit, we go fit get all those things. At least Nigeria go fit they strong again.
As a country leader, na big picture in the carry go. On top of the picture, na Boko Haram stay panga.
Now they carry first.
Economy, they there. Investment, they there. Rebuilding of infrastructure. Now be all these our bridge road we don't scatter. They there. Armoring our army. We be say before, we dey run for they want to do them where we strengthen them. Even students wey dey for school, wey be say they will come up for school to even write complete sentence. They no fit. E dey inside. So na real comprehensive book. Na Bible we carry go.
Oga Lanre, make I bring this question come from your angle. You na person when we say you like just like Oga Jafar, you don't live outside this country, you don't meet people. And some people, the first thing when go come to their mind when they say, if you introduce yourself, say, I am a Nigerian. Some people go begin, they hide their purse. Security man go begin, they at alert, say, he be like, say, this person, na bad thing he won't do. Now, the question when I get to ask, we say, we get good people for this country. We get people when we say they come up from Nigeria, go live outside this country, and then do well. When we say they bring big contribution inside that place. When we say they set record, they are the mental Guinness Book of World Record for where they. Now the question when I get to ask, we say with the kind image when we say Oga President want a project now say man when we say he no be corrupt person man when we say he believe say make Nigeria move forward what it go be your advice for Nigerians when we say they outside Nigeria, when we say many of them don't give up, say this country be like say it don't red, make I did that place when I did, even if not to the wash plate.
But make I tell you something. This country that we own, we are all Nigerians.
We get them.
Number one, we must get that mind, say I be Naija.
Before anything else.
You know, American go say, God bless America
yes.
Because they love their country. But the problem with they be say our leaders, they don't fail us.
They don't fail us.
Over the years, imagine the money we Nigeria don't get from 1960 to 2015.
55 years.
I know if I want to quantify for Naira, I know fit. Calculator
go spoil now.
But these people, when you be Nigerian, if you have the passion, say you be Nigerian, you know go there, go steal the money. Where you suppose use to build roads, to build hospital, to build school, to do this. Because at the end of the day, they get children too. Your children will get children.
Not true.
When you die, who go suffer?
You don't go fit carry all those things.
You don't go carry them go now. Not be 6 feet.
No ATM for heaven.
That is why a Igbo country is different from Nigeria. Because a Igbo they think of their future, their children. What will go happen if our population increase? Where we go put houses for people to live? Which hospital will go build more? But here, person go there on top of on top of commission. He go put all the money where supposed to do something for people.
Society.
He go put out for a pocket. If I say if he die today,
you know go carry anything go anywhere.
You know Oyinbo say he come with nothing, they go with nothing. Everything where you get, you go put am for here. Even if you steal all the money, you go still die, leave the money here. If you buy the Bentley, say you get that Bentley,
white one.
you know go.
Why you say white one? Why you don't drive white Bentley?
No, but white one they
So
get.
why you say white Bentley now you dey talk about?
They get one kind swag when they follow.
Make I tell you
Okay,
something
that's
now.
fine, all right.
Our people wey go Obodo Oyinbo, me I go Obodo Oyinbo, I live for Obodo Oyinbo for over 30 years.
30 years.
Body.
I know. The thing wey happen be say some na frustration leave them.
Now make them come out. Now make them check out.
Some go even waka reach Libya, go Congo, Atlantic Ocean, sink, go inside water die. If
So
our
wetin we dey look for?
if to say we build our country, our people, you know, sometimes I don't know wetin wrong for black.
He be like saying our blood the
Na
thing dey.
black make you get all the money, make you come dey give people small bread, make dem eat, make dem dey call you ba.
Instead of make you empower them.
Make you empower them, make them know this
You
is
go
how
dey give
to
them
live.
fish instead of
We dey come the studio this morning, me and this oga wey we dey come. I see the downfall, I see everything. He take me pass Oshodi Mushi, make I see. I can't shake
No
them.
organization at all.
See, over the years, wey this country don dey, all these things don suppose to get tram. Wey be say tram na like train o, na on ground e dey go. Transportation dey. This Danfo pack dem, bring mass transit, Marco Polo buses, air condition from one place to the other. If the roads were good, but with all the money wey dem dey collect from Abuja every month, wetin dem do? Nothing. So we need to sit down and support this man wey be say the man of honor, wey Washington Post talk say is the least corrupt African leader. True. Okay. Make we know they condemn as people they condemn, they don't do this. The thing where they don't spoil for over the years,
He plenty.
Now 100 days you go use correct am.
He go hard.
Okay, yes, I understand. We understand the angle where they bring her from, but look also from that same angle bring out this question. Okay, fine. We get Nigerians abroad. We of course now they represent, and we get the kind of perception where people wait there over there they take see Nigerians over there, and now we don't go get a new president. You understand? Well, a lot of us believe in, but the question I want to ask is say, Nigerians abroad. Waiting be those relationships, waiting be those things now from our own end. They try to say, since now not say we don't get somebody who will feed waiting, go feed bring result. Waiting from our own end, waiting those things we now feed do to also contribute. So that Nigeria's image for that place they at least go change. Nigeria's image for our own country go also change in the eyes of those people.
Now that's why those of us will come back, Nigerians returnees in diaspora, we don't come back. They try to form association, form business, form small-scale businesses, and as we organize ourselves here, when we go back, say we go holiday or we go see family, they themselves don't know say Nigeria don't they organize but before you go participate, you must organize yourself. Somebody will be they play before will be say what they go do back home. Instead don't know so home don't they now where I will go back to. He don't they organize himself. True. Whether na shoe they learn how to make whether na clothes whether na hair whether na perfume whether na cosmetics he they organize himself. True. Instead they prepare. Because now something way good, now they attract people.
Exactly.
Very true.
So now where we don't get a leader, he be like a shiny example. He they draw good thing. Yeah.
They attract like magnet. Oga Brimo and Oga Lanre, this one I don't talk, the thing makes sense, but make we talk through. Now, but before we go, I go talk that truth when I go talk. We be like say we go rush, go break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it dey hot. We dey come back.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.